Hey business owners, did you know that business credit is not just about funding and getting capital? Business credit can be a great tax strategy. When you have a proper business credit profile, you can reduce your tax liability, get more tax deductions, and separate business from personal expenses. That is why in this video, I am going to break down for you exactly what you need to do to build business credit and how to make it a great tax strategy. But before we jump in, I'm gonna need you to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of this wealth building information. What is business credit? Is where you have built a credit profile for your actual business, and it is going to be linked to the business name, giving your business great credibility. In addition to that, from a tax perspective, when you have business credit, you know what you're saying to the IRS. You're saying that these charges on this credit card are business related. That is the first hurdle that you need to get over with Internal Revenue Service. And the interest on the credit card becomes tax deductible because you are utilizing a business credit card. One of the keys to maximizing the tax benefits is that you have your business set up properly. You need to have your business name properly registered in the county where you're doing business if you have a DBA, doing business as, or if you are a corporation or an LLC, your business should be registered with your Secretary of State. The second thing you want to make sure of is that your business has an EIN number, an employer identification number. You want to link the business credit to the EIN number. The EIN number is to a business as your Social Security number is to you. And you want to make certain you have a business checking account so that the payments for the business credit card can come out of the proper account, the business checking account, not your personal account, because you don't need to be commingling funds, mixing business with personal. You may want to start off by utilizing your vendors. Who are you currently doing business with that will extend you credit? Do you go to Office Depot, Office Max? Do you use Home Depot? Do you use Amazon? Start off with your vendors because they are more likely to allow you to build business credit. What you're doing is you are helping your business by co-signing for the business so that the business can build its credit. After you've had that credit for about a good 6 months, your business should be able to establish credit on its own. That's when you're going to jump into making sure that you can apply for actual Visa cards, American Express cards under your business name. If your credit is not that strong, don't allow that to deter you. What you want to do is start off with a secure credit card where you may need to put up $500 or $1,000 and they extend you $500 or $1,000 credit. Let that sit for about a good 6 months. Then you can branch off and get an unsecured credit card. You want to establish a business credit profile. Dun Bradstreet is one of the organizations where you can establish a business credit profile, where you actually will secure what they call a Dun's number, and people can go look on Dun Bradstreet and start to look at your credit profile. Your vendors can put their information there. You can upload your profit and loss statement so that anybody that is looking to give you business credit has a place to go. You want to make sure that your Secretary of State statement of information is always up to date, because when creditors are checking, they want to make certain that you are a legitimate business in good standing. You only want to put business purchases on that business credit card. Don't commingle funds. Therefore, your interest will be tax deductible. At the end of the year, a lot of credit card companies will give you a management statement summarizing your business transactions, and it's just going to give you that much more credibility. A pro tip that I want to give you is that if you have a business and you're able to get a credit card that gives you points, you may want to put all of your business purchases on that credit card, and you pay that credit card off every single month once you've established business credit. Why do I say that? Because you can rack up points and start to travel with your business points. Businesses that can get credit, they can get funding, they can get capital, they can eventually go to their bank and get a line of credit. So it's so important to build business credit. And just remember that your business credit ties into your tax strategy to be able to write off all the expenses associated with your business. So make sure you apply for your business credit. Make sure you have a separate business checking account. Make certain you're using an EIN number. Make certain you set up on Dun and Bradstreet, and make certain you start off with your little vendors first and graduate, even if it means you need to use a secure credit card. And once you do, you will always have the funding you need to operate and grow your business. And once you know better, my friends, you absolutely have to do better. That is why I want you to like, comment, and share this post with another fellow business owner, because friends don't let friends overpay tax.